Hey friend, it's Jackie from So Bright Home. Today I'm going to share with you 10 organizational hacks that you're not going to want to miss. Some of them don't even cost you any money. These are simple organization hacks that you can do in your home today. Let's go. Number one is cardboard boxes. Cardboard boxes are so handy. Let me show you. This is a cereal box. All you gotta do is just trim them down. This is our junk drawer, and it is so organized all from cardboard boxes. Here's another one. Cardboard boxes. They organize all our granola bars. You can do this today. Number two, while we're in this cupboard, glass canning jars. They make the best storage for different food items. You can use glass jars for all of the things. I especially love using them for my spices. I just label the top, sit up like this so I can see all my spices. So handy. Number three, baskets for water bottles. I should go in here. My husband put these away. Anyways, I put all the water bottles in baskets and it just makes it so much easier to organize. You can get fancy water bottle holders, but these work great. Baskets are also great for tea towels, linens. We love baskets. Number four, these cereal containers are honestly so good. The reason these are worth the money is because my kids can pour out of them. My kids get their own cereal ages 4 and 10, and they can open the lids, pour out of them. I also have one for rice. 100% worth it. You got to get some of those. Number five, I was a little bit skeptical about this one, but we've had them for several months and they work so good. These are great if you're looking for a hook that you don't want to drill into, or maybe you can't drill into. These command hooks for all of the back of our doors for towels. Like I said, we've had them for several months. They just stick on. They're a really nice, sleek design, so they don't look like an ugly stick-on. We've had no issues with them holding towels. We have them in all of the back doors. And over here, you can also get them in gold. My daughter's got one, and she always puts a lot of stuff on hers. She's got 2 towels and a bathing suit. And my son has one, and he has a towel and a fleece poncho thing. They're really, really, really nice. And we just put them on the doors. I put them a little bit to the left so that they don't get in the way of the door handle. Number 6 is this pedestal. So I got this at the thrift store. They're a super easy item to thrift. You'll find them all the time. They are just great organizers because you can put your things on them and it just stays organized and tidy. I'll show you one more in the bathroom. Instead of these things being all over the place, you just put them all together on a little pedestal. Again, that one was thrifted, and things are way more organized. Oh, and baskets. You can never have enough baskets. They are just so handy. Number 7, I don't want to take it off. It's called a Stickum. The sticky thing, you just push it on and it can hold, look at a pen or a razor in the bathroom. It's got so many great uses. I ordered more. I absolutely love these. They're just so cool. I have a bunch of cords like this that are such a mess and you want to get them organized, then order some of these. I just got them because my cords need to be organized. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to take one of these, put it around like this. Okay, you're going to put it around like that, and then I'm going to write on it what the cord is for. Got it, it's our dog collar thing. Tidy up my cord using this thing that also comes with it. Okay, and now I have my cord organized and labeled on what it is. So handy. Do the rest of mine now. See you later. Oh wait, we got to move on to number 9. Number 9, I'm still working on organizing all of these games, but I got this set of bags and I'm putting all of my games and stuff in there. It's going to be super, super organized. Like, look at these bags. You can get so many of them in all different sizes. They are perfect for puzzles and games, and they'd also make great like toiletry or travel bags. I'm working at getting everything in these bags and getting it all nice and organized. Okay, number 10, this is our last one. It's in my sewing room. If you have a sewing or craft room and you want some more organizational hacks, make sure to check one of my last videos because it went viral. You guys absolutely loved it. The hacks were awesome. Rubbermaid containers. And what I want to tell you is the labels do not have to be fancy. Look I have a Cricut label maker and I just cut out a piece of paper, write what it is, and use packaging tape and tape on it. Everything is easy to find. Here's another example. We've got this storage cabinet and all of these boxes, I just use duct tape or labels. Things don't have to be fancy to be organized. Just make sure your labels are clear and keep the labels facing out. My husband often puts the boxes away with the labels on the back side. So if you want, you could just put labels on both sides and then it's never an issue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. I'll leave links in the description of any of the products that I have used and you can check them out if you want. Hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.